I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making sugar-free fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. The idea for this episode's treat comes from our compadre Devney, who asked for some more sugar-free sweets. Not only is this one sugar-free, it's delightfully different from our previous recipes because we're going to use a slow cooker. I got this recipe from everydaydiabeticrecipes.com. There's a link in the description if you'd like to check it out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own sugar-free fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. Okay, let's make this happen. For this recipe, you'll need 454 grams of sugar-free chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of non-sugar sweetener, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 113 grams of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of sliced almonds. You'll also need an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment, foil, or waxed paper, a 2-quart or larger slow cooker, a spoon or spatula, and a cutting board. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the 8x8 baking pan. In a slow cooker, combine the chocolate chips, sweetener, butter, and coconut milk. Cover it and cook it on low for 2 hours. Turn off the slow cooker and add the almond and vanilla extracts. Do not stir the mixture. Cover it and allow the fudge to cool for 30 minutes. Then stir it until it's smooth, 4 or 5 minutes. Pour the fudge into the baking dish and top it with almonds. I used a sheet of parchment to press the almonds into the fudge, and I left the parchment on while it cooled, which left some unsightly marks on the top of the fudge. I still like the parchment idea, just remove it as soon as you've pressed in the almonds. Refrigerate it for 6 hours or until it's firm. I left it in the fridge overnight. Cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. This is nice. Very dark chocolate flavor. I'd say like around 70%. If you're not a dark chocolate fan, I'd bump up the sweetener 2 or 3 times. The texture is nice as well. Smooth and creamy with a little bit more chew than the fudge that I've made in the past. Tell you what, this is a winner. Especially if you're looking for a no-sugar treat. You really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. You'll also need an 8x8 baking... You'll also need an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment. I still like the parchment idea, just remove it as soon as you've pressed.